Myron Frederick, student ID 2199-51615.
Dupuy Nguyen, student ID 2199999663.
Okay, so we've compiled our code for our project, and we actually implemented a multifunctional watch, or clock, whatever they want to call it, and clock, which has three modes: a normal clock, a timer, and a stopwatch. So we'll just show the implementation. So first, we're going to set the time for our clock. Okay, so we've got these two buttons here. So switch 9 and 8 will be used for selecting the mode. Switch 0 will be our reset switch. We have this button would be our start stop. This would be used to increment for adding our values. Reset. And these two, so switch 1 will be used to set the mode for inputting our time, and switch 2 and 3 would be used to select whether we're setting hours, minutes, or seconds. Okay, so first we'll set the time for our clock. So time setting mode. So we're going to set our hour first. So now it's 12:18. So sorry, 2:18. So 2. So next we'll set our minutes. We're going to increment. And we could also set the second if we want to. So just to show an example, and we're going to start our clock right now. So we have everything set for our clock. Now we could set our timer. So we're going to move to our timer mode, and we could set the hours, minutes, seconds the same way as well. So our hours could be set. We could set our minutes and also the seconds, and start. So start, stop. We could reset. And for the timer, when our timer reaches 0, it's going to blink to indicate that our timer has come to an end. So let's just set for 10 seconds. 10, start, and okay, so we could reset our timer, and if we go back to our clock, we could see that it has not affected our clock mode. We could also implement our stopwatch, which counts from 0 to 9900 hours, and then it's going to reset back to 0. So this is our stopwatch mode. Again, we could pause and pause. We can reset, and it's not going to affect any of our other modes. Also for our clock, when our clock gets to 23 hours, 59 minutes and 59 seconds, it's going to reset. So we could show exactly how this is implemented. So if we reset our clock, so let's set the time for hours.
Make it 255 something.
Yeah, I'm going to set it a little higher. So after getting to, it's going to reset back to 0. So this is it. And as we saw, we have different modes, and our modes work independently of each other. You could, for the clock and the timer, you could pause, reset. You could set the time individually, whether you want to set the time for the hours, seconds, or minutes. Just one last example. So we're going to set the time again. It's 2:22. Two. 22. Time. Yeah. Okay, I think it should be good.